Eiffel Tower is a wrought-iron lattice tower on the Champ de Mars in Paris, France. It is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower. Constructed from 1887 to 1889, as the entrance to the 1889 World's Fair, it was initially criticized by some of France's leading artists and intellectuals for its design, but it has become a global cultural icon of France, and one of the most recognizable structures in the world. The Eiffel Tower is the most visited paid monument in the world. 6.91 million people ascended it in 2015. The tower is 1,063 feet tall, about the same height as an 81-story building, and the tallest structure in Paris. Its base is square, measuring 410 feet on each side. During its construction, the Eiffel Tower surpassed the Washington Monument to become the tallest man-made structure in the world, a title it held for 41 years, until the Chrysler Building in New York City was finished in 1930. It was the first structure to reach a height of 300 meters. Due to the addition of a broadcasting aerial at the top of the tower in 1957, it is now taller than the Chrysler Building by 17 feet excluding transmitters. The Eiffel Tower is the second tallest freestanding structure in France after the Millau Viaduct. The tower has 3 levels for visitors, with restaurants on the first and second levels. The top level's upper platform is 906 feet above the ground, the highest observation deck, accessible to the public in the European Union. Tickets can be purchased to ascend by stairs, or lift to the first and second levels. The climb from ground level to the first level is over 300 steps, as is the climb from the first level to the second. Although there is a staircase to the top level, it is usually accessible only by lift. The puddled iron of the Eiffel Tower weighs 7,300 tons, and the addition of lifts, shops and antennae have brought the total weight to approximately 10,100 tons. When it was built, many were shocked by the tower's daring form. Eiffel was accused of trying to create something artistic, with no regard to the principles of engineering. However, Eiffel and his team, experienced bridge builders, understood the importance of wind forces, and knew that, if they were going to build the tallest structure in the world, they had to be sure it could withstand them. In an interview with the newspaper, Le Temps published on February 14, 1887, Eiffel said,
"Is it not true that, the very conditions which give strength, also conform to the hidden rules of harmony? Now to what phenomenon did I have to give primary concern in designing the tower? It was wind resistance? Well then, I hold that the curvature of the monument's 4 outer edges, which is as mathematical calculation dictated it should be, will give a great impression of strength and beauty, for it will reveal to the eyes of the observer the boldness of the design as a whole."
The tower is the most visited paid monument in the world. An average of 25,000 people ascend the tower every day, which can result in long queues. With this, we come to the end of the virtual tour of Eiffel Tower. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for receiving notifications on new videos.